Hi, I'm Judy Weiniger with the Weiniger Group, and I'm here today at this spectacular one-of-a-kind home to give you a personal tour. I can't wait to show you what makes this home so special. What an opportunity to purchase this spacious 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, builder's own home. Here are my top 4 reasons why I love this home and why you should definitely come see it in person. Number 1. Modern gourmet kitchen. When we speak of the kitchen being the heart of the home, this rings true here with custom cabinetry, marble counters, and upscale appliances. You will love spending time right here. This open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Number 2, live like royalty. Escape to the private master bedroom retreat with unrivaled finishes. Huge custom closet, plantation shutters, custom moldings, and hardwood floors. Luxurious master bath with marble everywhere. You will feel like a king or queen. Everywhere you look, you will see only the finest high-end materials and design elements in this stunning home. Number 3, flexible living spaces. This home offers a separate second staircase which leads to another amazing living space. Perfect for multi-generational families living under one roof. Or a private area for your home office, guest suite, gym, or even more family room space. Number 4, beautiful curb appeal. From the moment you drive up past the stone pillar entrance, you will be wowed by the beauty of this new construction home. Elegant turnaround driveway with classic fountain, and the Craftsman solid wood front door will welcome you home. Located in the fabulous Mount Horeb School District, close to shopping, Route 78 for an easy commute, and just 2 miles to the renowned Pingree School. Don't you agree? This incredible home has so much to offer. Give me a call for your own private tour.